Number 10, filing bankruptcy is a sign that you can't manage your own finances or that you're somehow a financial failure. Everybody has this negative stereotype in their mind of who is a bankrupt, of who is a typical bankrupt. Some deadbeat, somebody that intentionally ran out and ran up debt knowing that they couldn't pay it back. Folks, that does not represent the people that come to me for help. The vast majority of the people that come to me for help are there because it's not because of any fault of their own. They haven't necessarily done anything wrong. Maybe they got sick and they were unable to work, so they were unable to pay their bills. Maybe they were hurt and they were unable to work and they were unable to pay their bills. Maybe their employer that worked for many years shut down, moved their jobs overseas, and that good paying job that you had and relied upon to take care of your family disappeared. There's all kinds of reasons people get into debt. We talked about one of them earlier. You went out and tried to start your own business. You had a good business plan. You worked and you did everything right. You couldn't have worked harder, but then COVID happened and business slowed down. Business went away completely in many circumstances, and you weren't able to meet your obligations. You weren't able to meet the bills and the debt that piled up with your business. There's no stereotypical person that has financial problems. My practice, I tell younger attorneys that go to work with us, there's never a boring day in any of our offices because everybody that comes to see us is an individual. Everybody that comes to see us has their own story. And I think I said at the beginning of this episode, no one ever dreamt they'd be reaching out to a bankruptcy attorney for help. But if you're in a situation, maybe you've been sick, maybe you've been injured, maybe your employer shut down and the job you had that provided retirement and benefits and a good income had gone away. Maybe you try to start your own business and COVID just shut it down. Whatever it is, whatever's putting that financial stress on you, know that options are available. But if you're going to take that step, if you're going to seek bankruptcy protection, it's a big step. And you don't want to just do it haphazardly. Do the research. Talk to other people. Talk to other attorneys. Find out what bankruptcy attorneys have been around for a period of time. Find out which bankruptcy attorneys have a good reputation with the court and with other attorneys in town. Meet the attorney. Take advantage of the free consultation. Ask questions. Make sure you're treated with dignity and respect. At the Bond & Bodas Law Offices, we want to help you, and we want to help you just like you are a family member. We're going to be sympathetic to your particular issues. We're going to do everything we can to help you get to a better place. And we want you to be able to save your marriage, save your family. We want you to feel secure going forward.